Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate the medical aid list screen. The medical aid list screen gives you comprehensive access to all medical aids, options and their administrators, including contact details. You can filter the list to show only the information you need. Please note that editing and creating new entries is currently only available on the desktop app. For more information regarding these processes, please refer to the medical aids, medical aid lists, and medical aid schemes user manuals linked in this video's description. Administrators oversee the operations of medical aid schemes and health insurance plans, providing essential administrative services to ensure efficiency and that members receive their benefits. They play a critical role in claims processing, benefit management, regulatory compliance, and customer support. For more information regarding how the Administrator tab works, please refer to the Medical Aid List screen navigating the Administrator tab user manual linked in this video's description. Schemes offer extensive healthcare coverage to its members, ensuring access to essential medical services while providing financial protection against high medical costs. Click on the Scheme tab to open. For more information regarding how the Scheme tab works, please refer to the Medical Aid List screen navigating the Scheme tab user manual linked in this video's description. Medical aid option refers to a specific plan or package offered by a medical aid scheme that provides a predefined set of benefits and coverage levels. Each medical aid scheme typically offers multiple options to cater to the diverse healthcare needs and financial capacities of its members. Click on the Medical Aid Option tab to open. For more information regarding how the Medical Aid Option tab works, please refer to the Medical Aid List screen navigating the Medical Aid Option tab user manual linked in this video's description.